In this video, I will show you how you can edit videos on your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Photos app on your iPad, then select a video which you want to edit. Now to edit the selected video, just tap on the edit button over here. Now after you do that, you will enter into the editing section. Now to mute the sound of your video, you can turn off the speaker icon over here. And if you want to adjust the colors of your video, just tap on adjust. And over here, you will find a few tools to adjust the color and the exposure of your video. For an example, you have the option to control the exposure of your video, the brilliance, the highlights, the shadows, and you have much more tools over here. After that, you have the option for filters, so you could apply a filter to your video. Now, after you select a filter, you can increase or decrease the intensity of the filter using this slider. Now over here, you can crop into the video as you like. Now to split the video, just tap on video over here. And over here, you can crop into the video just like that. For example, if you want to remove a part from the center of the video, you cannot do that directly from the video editor in the Photos app. For that, you will have to download a professional editing tool. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. And in the search bar, just search the name of the editing tool which you want to use. You can download Premiere Pro, or even you can download Final Cut Pro. Just select the editing tool which you want to use. And after you download the editing tool, just tap on Open, then tap on Continue. Now over here, you can buy the premium version of the app to continue editing, but you also have the option to download a free app like CapCut. After you download the app, just open the app. Then you can start editing using your preferred video editing tool, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.